Hey, what's going on? Aaron Chen here. Hope you are doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website right here, Offernation. Maybe you saw a promotion for it, you saw it on social media somewhere, maybe on Facebook, and you're wondering, can you make money online by actually completing surveys? Okay, so I'm gonna review Offernation. This GPT survey style website has been around for a very long time, 10 plus years, and there is the good, the bad, and the ugly, right? There are a lot of survey websites out there that are not good, they don't pay well. There are some sites where you can, watch videos, watch ads, download offers, things like that, and you can make a little bit of money. But some of them are just straight up scams. So let's take a look at Offernation, and by the end of this review, you can decide whether you want to spend some time on this website to try and make a little bit of money. All right. So Offernation, like I mentioned earlier, is one of the old ones. It's one of the OGs, right? One of the old gangsters of the survey and GPT space, where you can kind of come online and do a few things like watch ads, download offers, play video games, surf the internet, and fill out surveys. That's the main thing on Offernation. And it is 100% legit. Okay, so this is for a survey website. And a GPT website is considered pretty good. It's ranked quite high. And I've reviewed a lot of them, right? Hundreds of them. And some are not very good at all, but these guys are good. And the thing that I like about Offernation is that the threshold before you can withdraw your money is very low. It's only $1, all right? Which means that if you complete a lot of tasks and you hang out on their website for a few hours every day, then you can get to $1 pretty quickly, okay? And once you get to $1, you can withdraw your money either through Skrill, you can get an Amazon Pay card, you can get paid through Bitcoin, and you can also get paid through PayPal, which is very cool because most people have a PayPal account. That's the way that I would want to get my money if I'm filling out surveys. All right. Now, the main thing that you can do is fill out surveys, but it's not just filling surveys with Offernation. You can also basically watch video ads. You can download offers, and you can surf the internet, and you can also get paid a little bit of money as well. All right, and if you actually look at the reviews, they've had a lot of really good reviews, which is pretty cool. Okay, now the big question though that you need to ask yourself is how much money can you make? Okay, because it's quite misleading here. It says that more than $1.5 million has been paid out in cash to their members, which it has, because they've been around for over 10 years. But think about that. They've got tens of thousands of members, right? And in 10 years, they've only paid out 1.5 million, which is not that much money if you think about it. And the reason why is because you can't really make that much money from filling out surveys and watching videos and downloading offers, unfortunately. Now, you can make money, but it's not going to be life-changing income, all right? Because the way that it works is Offernation is kind of like an aggregate website. So they're a GPT survey aggregate website, right? So what they do is they work with other survey companies, and they put you forward, and you got to register for them, and you can fill out surveys with other companies as well, okay? But the thing is that whenever you fill out a survey, it takes a little bit of time. You have to fill out your information, you have to get approved, and then you have to be in the right demographic for you to even get a survey that you can maybe, quote unquote, maybe qualify for. Sometimes you fill out the survey and then halfway through, they tell you that you're not qualified for the survey, so you have to start all over again, and you don't get any credit for that, all right? And unfortunately, you can't sit there and fill out 50 surveys a day. That's not how survey filling works. You can maybe fill out, if you're lucky, one survey a day. Okay, and you only get paid maybe 50 cents to $1 per survey, right? So let's just say you get to, and this is in the best case scenario, let's just say you get to fill out one survey a day. All right, so you make 50 cents, and then you watch some ads, you download some offers, you surf on their browser, and you make a little bit of extra money. And by the way, whenever you do those tasks, you get paid very, very little, 1 cent or a tenth of a cent. Okay, so it takes a little bit of time for you to add that money up. So you got 50 cents, and then you're adding 1 cent here, 1 cent there, a tenth of a cent here, half a cent there, right? So it slowly adds up, but you still have to spend a lot of time on the website. So maybe you're spending 2 or 3 hours a day on Offernation, and by the end of those 2 or 3 hours, you may have only made $1 or maybe $1.10. You see what I'm saying, right? So yes, you can make money from these sites, and they do pay out, and they're legitimate, especially Offernation. But if you add up all the time that you've spent plus all the income that you've made, you've only probably made maybe $30 in a whole month, or maybe you've made $50 or maybe $60 in a whole month, but you've spent hours and hours and hours on this website. Like if you spend 2 or 3 hours a day, again, you're averaging maybe like 50 cents to 80 cents per hour in terms of pay. So is it legit? Yes. Is it one of the better survey websites that pays? Yes. Is the threshold low? Yes. That means you can get your money, which is very cool, right? But is this going to change your life in terms of income? No, absolutely not. Okay, so it just depends on who you are. If you're somebody that doesn't mind filling out a couple of surveys, playing a few games, watching a few videos, and making pennies on the dollar, and making about 50 cents to 80 cents per hour, on average, then Offernation is one of the better survey GPT style websites out there. Okay, but just please understand that they're not designed to make you rich. They don't promise to make you rich either. They're just a GPT survey website that will pay you a little bit of money. For the amount of time that you're going to be spending on the website. It's very easy to join. The thing I like about Offernation is that it's worldwide, it's global. Okay, so you can join for free here. You can log in, and it's a good site. All right, for what it does. Okay, but if you want to make the big money, we're talking about $5,000 a month, $10,000 a month, $20,000 a month. This is not the website that will ever get you there. All right, this is literally like a $50 per month type of website, because it's a low skill website. That means you don't need any skills to get on this website and start making a little bit of money. So if you want to do that, check out Offernation. It's a cool, legit, and they do pay out GPT style survey website. But if you're watching this video and you're like, Aaron, I want to make big money. I'm here because this is the internet. I know there's a way for me to leverage technology, leverage software, and be able to generate way more income than that. So if you're looking to make, I'm talking about the big commissions, like $5,000 a month, $10,000 a month. One of my top students earns over $40,000 a month right now. I know I'm throwing out some big numbers, but please understand that it does require you to put in some work. You got to learn the skills, but if you understand how to do it right, you can literally change your life. So if you would like to learn how to do that, I've got a free 6-figure workshop. It's absolutely free. Just go ahead and click on the link below, register for that workshop, and I'm going to show you how I've been able to do it, how I've leveraged the internet for over 14 years. Okay, I've got a multiple 6-figure business, generated over $1 million in sales online, and I've got thousands of students where I teach them to do the same thing. So Offernation's cool, and you can start here. It's a good place to get started, so you get your feet wet. But if you really want to earn the big commissions, then I hope to see you in the workshop when you click the link below. All right, all the best. Hope to see you on another video and on the training. Good luck to you, and speak to you soon. Take care.